it's Heidi from WTI. Have you been on a quest to find a great mascara? I have been, and I was so thrilled to use this mascara by IT Cosmetics, Superhero Elastic Mascara in Super Black. I can't even contain myself because I am so pleased with how this mascara makes my eyes pop. Look at the difference when I apply it to just one eye. Wow! And the color is super black. It's so rich looking and deep. And I love that it separates and lengthens my lashes when I apply it. Sometimes if I want extra drama, I apply additional coats. Or if I'm just looking for a natural look, I just stick with the one coat. I am so impressed with my new favorite superhero, IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Mascara. And that's my point of view.